Okay, the question is identify the vertex and axis of symmetry of each by converting to vertex form, then sketch. First, the equation is given to you, and the equation is a quadratic equation, which is y is equal to x square minus 12x plus 36. So what we need to do is, first we have to convert this into the vertex form. Okay, and then we have to find out the vertex, and then we have to find out the axis of symmetry. Okay, the very first thing is that you have to convert this into the vertex form. So what is vertex form? Vertex form is this: y is equal to a x minus h whole square plus k. This is the vertex form. So it means that we have to convert this quadratic equation in this form. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve it with completing the square method. Okay, as you can see that this is x square, so I can take it as a whole square minus 2a. What should be b to get 12x? It should be 6, because 2 times 6 is 12. Okay, so now I'm going to add, okay, to complete the square I need to add 6 square, because b is the formula to you know that what is the formula for completing the square? It's a negative sign, so we will use the negative formula, a minus b whole square, which is a square minus ab 2ab plus b square. So this is a square minus 2ab. I need to make 12x, so 2a is x, so what should be b to make it 12? It's 6. Okay, so to
Yeah.
complete the formula I need to add b square, so I will add b square, which is b 6 square. So you know that this is the rule, what we add we have to subtract it as well, and this
Yeah.
36 I will write down here. Okay, now you can see that this is a complete formula here, from here till here. Okay, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square can be written as a minus b whole square. So I will write it as a minus b whole square. Now this is minus 36 and plus 36.
So 0.
It will become 0. So y is equal to x minus 6 whole square plus 0. Now this is in this, there is nothing, there is no coefficient with this, so it means that coefficient is 1. So this is in this form, ax minus h whole square plus k, ax minus h whole square plus k. So vertex is, what is vertex? Vertex is hk. So it means that if we compare this equation with this, our h is 6 and our k is 0. So your vertex is 6 and 0. So this is how you have to find out the vertex.
Is K1?
Okay, now we're going to find out the axis of symmetry. Okay, you can see this formula, which is x y is equal to x square minus 12x plus 36. So the first value is always a. There's nothing written with x square, so it's 1. So a is 1, b is negative 12, and c is 36. Now we are going to find out the axis of symmetry. For axis of symmetry, there is a formula, which is x is equal to minus b over 2a. Here you can see that this is the quadratic equation. So the first value is always a, the second one is b, and without the constant in the quadratic equation is your c. Okay, so a is 1, b is negative 12. So I'm going to substitute the value in this formula, which is axis of symmetry formula, minus b over 2a. So b is 12 and a is 1. So that is what I'm going to substitute. X is equal to minus, now b is negative 12, as you can see that it's negative 12, and a is 1. So x is equal to 12 over 2, which is 6. So your axis of symmetry is 6. Acha, when we will draw the graph, then I will tell you that what actually is axis of symmetry on the graph. Okay, we have found the vertex form, which is y is equal to 1 x minus 6 whole square plus 0. We have found the vertex, which is h and k, and 6 and 0. And we have found the axis of symmetry, which is 6. Now they have also asked that to draw the graph. Okay, now we know the axis of symmetry, so it's very easy to draw the graph, and we know the vertex, which is yeah, h and k 60. So let's draw the graph now. Okay, now to draw the graph, we need the x-intercepts. We have found the x-intercept symmetry. Now we need to find out the x-intercept. The equation is, you can see the equation, which is x square minus 12x plus 36. So x square minus 12x plus 36. Here you can find out the x-intercepts by using the quadratic equation, which is x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. So x is equal to minus b is 12, negative 12, so I'll substitute negative 12, and b square, so you write it down, negative 12 square minus 4a. There's nothing with x square, it means that here is 1, so a is 1 and c is 36 over 2a. So x is equal to 12 plus minus 144
Yeah.
minus, and 36 4 time is
144.
144. Yeah, and over 2a, which is 1. Yes, x-intercept you will get 6, okay, which is your axis of symmetry. So it means that,
Wow.
yeah, so it means that you will draw the graph, okay, it's same, it means that you're doing right if your axis of symmetry is same as your x-intercept. Now to draw the graph, you can see that we have found the x-intercept, which we have found the vertex, which is 6 0. Okay, so it means that you're talking about that x is 6 and y is 0. So we can write it down like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6.
So x-intercept is
So here,
6.
yeah, 6 and 0, 6 and 0 mean this is the point they're talking about. So it means that your a is positive, so your parabola will be like this. So this is your answer. This is how you have to draw the graph. I hope that it's clear to you.
Yeah. That's
Okay.
how I drew.
Yeah, okay, good.
So x is also.
Now x is equal, your axis of symmetry is 6, right? So this is
Yeah.
your axis of symmetry.
Axis of symmetry.